Hey guys, before we get too far along in this video, I just wanted to pause real quick and show you a little caveat you're going to run into if you upgrade the DCC ready version of this locomotive. This is an instance where I would say if you're able to, go ahead and buy it with DCC and sound. This goes for the SP, Rio Grande, or any of the versions really. The main problem comes down to the rear weight, and I'm going to put some photos on screen. Essentially, as with all locomotives like this, you remove the rear weight, you put in your speaker of choice, and you're usually good to send it from there. This guy is a little bit different. Essentially, the LED PCB for the rear number boards sits on the lip of the rear weight. And when you remove this weight, so does the mounting bracket for this PCB. And you could glue it to the shell, crystal clear, whatever you want to use. I took some stripped styrene, made a little shelf, sat the LED assembly on there, and called it good enough. This does make it dimmer in person. It's going to look okay on camera, but it is not very bright. And that, of course, is, the distance and not being the factory setup. So if you wanted to put sound in this, I would say just go ahead and grab you the DCC sound version. You'll get the speaker weight already included. Assuming they stuck with the 21-pin decoder, you can just plug and chug with your brand of choice, and you'll be good to go from there.